Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to read some words, and those words we will have some missing vowels, and you have to work out which vowel is missing. Is it going to be the O or the A? O or A? Are you ready? Let's go. So let's read the word, listen to the words, and then think which vowel is missing. Is it the A or the O? You ready? The word is run, run, run. R, A, N. Well done, it's A. R, A, N. Run. Fun, fun. Which letter is missing? Is it O or A? Fun. F, A, N. F, A, N. Fun. Well done. It was the A sound. Mop, mop. Which sound is it? Is it O or A? Mop. Well done. It's O, M-O-P, mop. Tub, tub. Which sound is missing? Is it O or A? Tub. T-A-B, tub. Well done. It is the A sound. Well done. Top, top. Which sound is missing? Is it O or A? Top. T-O-P, top. Well done. It's O. Sun, sun. Which sound is missing? Is it O or is it A? Well done. It is A. S-A-N, sun. Mum, mum. Which letter is missing? Is it O or A? Well done. It's A. M-A-M, mum. Bun, bun. Which sound is missing? Well done. A. B-A-N, bun. Cot, cot. Which sound is it? Well done. It's O. K-O-T, cot. Hop, hop. Which sound is missing? Well done. O. H-O-P, hop. Fog, fog. Which sound is missing? F-O-G. Well done. It is O. F-O-G, fog. Nut, nut. Which sound is missing? Is it O or A? Well done. It is A. N-U-T, nut. Cub, cub. Which sound is it? Is it A or O? Well done. It is A. Well done. K-A-B, cub. Pot, Which sound is missing? Well done. It is o. P-o-t. Pot. Bug. Bug. Which sound is missing? Is it the o or the o? B-a-g. B-a-g. Bug. Well done. It is the o sound in the middle. Well done. Some. Some. Which sound is it? Well done. S-a-m. Some. Dog. Dog. Which sound is missing? Well done. O. D-o-g. Dog. Hot. Hot. Which sound is missing? Well done. O. H-o-t. Hot. Log. Log. Which sound is missing? Well done. O. O. L-o-g. Log. Hug. Hug. Which sound is it? Is it o or a? Hug. H-a-g. H-a-g. Hug. Well done. It is the sound. Sob. Sob. Which sound is missing? Is it the o or a? S-o-b. S-o-b. Sob. Well done. It is the o sound. Mug. Mug. Which sound is missing? Is it o or a? M-a-g. M-a-g. Mug. Well done. The sound was missing. Bus. Bus. Which sound is missing? O or a? Bus. B-a-s. Bus. Well done. It is the sound. Jog. Jog. Which sound is missing? Is it the o or a? J-o-g. J-o-g. Jog. Well done. It is the o sound in the middle. Well done. Gum. Gum. Which sound is missing? Is it o or a? G-a-m. G-a-m. Gum. Well done. It is the sound. Hut. Hut. Which sound is missing? Is it the o or a? H-a-t. H-a-t. Hut. Well done. It is the sound. Well done, everyone. Fantastic reading. Well done. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.